if you want to take high resolution photos on the Xiaomi 15T and 15T Pro, what you can do is you can go to the camera, of course, and we can start by going to these additional camera modes. And over here we have a dedicated camera mode that allows you to take photos in the highest resolution possible, and it is of course the Ultra HD. Now in here we don't have many options that we can go through. Just a really basic camera style, I guess, minimalistic, because we can only use the timer, watermark, and we have some filters that we can apply, and that is pretty much it. And we have very limited zoom options as well. We can either use 1x or 5x and nothing in between. And if you need some more options for photo adjustment, then we can also go to the Pro mode. And over here in the Pro mode we can also increase to 50 megapixels, and you can also switch to the RAW format in case you need to do that. And in this time we still cannot really switch back to, for example, 0.6x. We cannot use the ultra wide angle, but we have these parameters at the bottom that can be quite helpful. And also over here on the left side we have photographic styles that we can adjust, so you might be more satisfied with this option. Now in here we also have the aspect ratio selection, and the 3:4 aspect ratio actually provides the highest resolution possible as well. So if you switch to any other aspect ratio, well, first of all, you won't be able to actually use 50 megapixels, but this just proves that 3:4 aspect ratio is actually the best one. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.